here we are, Friday, August 29th, 7:50 a.m. It's been raining all night, just a little drizzly now. And we're heading to the Budgeons store to get a laundry cube to do some laundry. We'll be going to Stow-on-the-Wold this morning, and we'll be checking out tomorrow though, and moving to Broadway to a little boutique hotel. Budgeons. I ain't budging. And here we are at Bakery on the Water.
Yes,
Which
gorgeous.
is Thornton on the Water.
Yes, and that
And
is
that-
a beautiful cappuccino.
And what you do is you find a table, note the number, go to the counter and order. That's what it looks like. Ah, the British breakfast. Scrambled eggs with beans on toast, fried eggs with a miniature hash brown. And here we are on the 801 to Stow-on-the-Wold on this rainy Cotswold day. And there it is, the 801. We have arrived. And there's the famous crooked building. There she goes. Well,
Oh my goodness. Is there entrance this way?
We're still talking about the basic, with scriptures, and then we'll talk separately about what.
Do you need to make a call? Hello?
What's the whole point?
Betty said we should step in here for a tipple. And here it is, a fabulous beverage flyover. And what is this?
This is a rhubarb and cream.
Ah, and of course, a Guinness
Bit of sweet fruity fish,
here
citrus
at the porch house.
flavour.
the Fleece Alley. Apparently this is where the sheep used to go to market.
Don't like it if they went to market.
Or to shearing.
That's okay. Oh, it's
Neat. And look at the slate on here. That's not even slate, that's stone.
yeah.
It's amazing.
My height.
Okay. They want to go in there. Uh-huh.
Okay. Go for it.